Repair presents live from our studios the Hubco production of Julius Caesar by William Shakespeare, starring Gary Czaplinski as Brutus. We join the broadcast already in progress.
Remember March, the Ides of March, remember. Did not great Julius bleed for justice' sake? What villain touched his body that did stab, and not for justice? What, shall one of us that struck the foremost man of all
this... Now, in support of multilingualism everywhere, live from the Hub City studios, we present the Schwarzkopf translation of William Shakespeare's Julius Caesar, starring Mike Czaplinski as Brutus. We join the broadcast already in progress.
Wenn dein schönes Auge im Home auf Frick mir solche lieber schön.
Hell, it's multilingualism. Keep going.
And if you say so, but you'll hear from my agent. But for supporting
robbers,
robbers, shall we now...
Gary, you don't have an agent.
Contaminate our fingers with base bribes, and sell the mighty space of our large honors for so much trash as may be grasped thus. I had rather be a dog and bay the moon.
Now, in continued support of multiculturalism, we present Julius Caesar as sanctioned by the Cooperative for Alive, non-white, non-guy Shakespeare, who will be conducting a telethon during the remainder of the program. Remember, that number to call is 1-800-DEAD-MAN. Give till it hurts. And now, Hubco presents Yaches Czaplinski as Brutus in Julius Caesar.
Remember March? The Ides of March, remember? Did not great Julius bleed as women have always bled for white European dead guys' justice sake?
This is weird!
What villain touched his body without prior personal consent and did enough for equal pay for equal work in the marketplace? So one of us that struck the foremost person of non-specific gender of all this world. Sure, I can raise no suspicion that commemorative dollars by racist means.
Julius
But
Caesar
karmic
action,
I have
immediately
ready my dog
starring Little Jimmy Czaplinski as the voice of reason. Take it away, Jimmy.
I'm Magenta, sing furious in sedentary beds. Crisscross, plagiarism, football king, dog, dog Rodolfo, Milton Bingo, subterranean, porcelain dog, Necate, your lunch, terra firma, Dizzy, magnesium rooster, dispatch, response, Howard Stern, Rutabaga Valentine, dance, dash into pieces.
Keine noch so winziger Gebärde.
So kill me, and wear my toupee.
Any resemblance to any Czaplinskis, living or dead, is coincidental or rendered purely for satiric purposes. Tune in next week for Marcel Marceau's reading of I Have No Mouth and I'm a Scream.